today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day
Hi there, everybody. Welcome. We are out on another adventure today. We are going to go see Wisconsin's tallest waterfall. We are at Pattison State Park.
Yep.
And so here you have to pay for a pass. We just get a daily pass this time. It's $11 for the day.
If you're out of state.
If you're out of state. I don't remember what the other prices were. So, but so we're going to go.
I think it was $8 for in-state, but out of state's $38 for an annual pass.
Oh, yeah. And we thought, well, we're only going to be at this park, I think. So we're off to go check out this really tall waterfall. She said it was about 2 feet shorter than Niagara waterfall. And it's the tallest actually in the Midwest. So we'll check it out with you. Come along.
Over here, then we go through the tunnel. And over here, the big Manitou Falls. There's also a little trail.
Okay.
That's a half a mile. And then down this way, it says 1 mile to the little Manitou
So you can do all kind of hiking.
Falls trail, and then another half mile takes you down to about 1.5 miles. The little Manitou.
Yeah. Several hiking trails here if you really wanted to venture out that way. And then Bathhouse and Nature Trail that way. It's a really lovely day today. The weather is gorgeous. I'm stepping over mud puddles. Can see the river down that way. Caution, severe weather today. Somebody ain't knowing how to spell right there. They are predicting like there might be some thunderstorms and stuff later today. So it makes sense that they have that alert. A trail to adventure. Each state along the North County National Scenic Trail offers visitors unique outdoor opportunities. In the state of Wisconsin, the trail crosses the northern tier of the state, a region rich with rolling hills, lakes, and streams, as well as a vibrant history of Native American life and French exploration. Underpass. We're going to go under the highway. It's not a freeway, it's a highway. And get to this giant waterfall. The CCC built shelter building in 1937. Wow. It is a beautiful building. You can rent it out, I think, because there's 2 signs I've seen so far. Rented out by. So it's a nice little setup here.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you. till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away.
It's like a spillway here. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we're over the spillway and this little sketchy looking bridge. You can see back to where those seats were and that building and the river.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my
So you come around these little stairs. And it's going to take us into this little tunnel. Caution, slippery surface. Ooh, you can see to the other side. It looks really short though. When you stand right here. Let's see, Earl's tall. Let's see if he can get in it. Yeah, he feels like he's ducking a little bit, doesn't it seem it? Oh, it's got an echo. It's really muddy though, it's gross. Slushy mud. It's rained a lot lately. Right. On the other side of the highway, there's a cute little wooden bridge. Whoop. Oh, he slipped. Oh, you okay? Okay. Whew. We're going to see if this is the way to it over the little bridge because it's super cute. This is still that spillway that we were looking at just a second ago on the other side of it. So here we are at the top of the waterfall. So it's just outside that spillway. You can see it going over the edge right there. So that's the top of the waterfall. So let's go see what it looks like. You ready?
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. Knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life.
As you can see, the waterfall is the highest waterfall in Wisconsin, 165 feet tall. So the sandstones are exposed at the north end of the gorge, about 1,000 feet downstream.
Now that everything is easy with you around. No bombs, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. Don't let go. Don't let go of me. Don't let go. Don't let go.
Going over the little bridge now. We'll get another viewpoint of that spillway over here to the right. You can see the road that we went under in that tunnel. And then we can come this way, and it feathers around and goes to that top part of the waterfall that we saw. So we're at the top on the other side. It's kind of a cool perspective right here. Let me show you. So there's a second parking lot here. And then for this part of the trail, you're walking along this road. It's not a busy road. This is where the trail takes you to see the overview of the falls. So we're walking this way. And we head into the picnic area here. We have a vault toilet, hey, if you need it. travelwisconsin.com. So you gotta hashtag it when you're done. Here is the really good overview look of the waterfall. That's the best view we're gonna get, I think, today. Quite amazing. Earl and I love waterfalls.
Okay, you're gonna have to help me out here. We might be pronouncing this wrong. I'm not sure if it's Manitou, Manitou, or Manitou. But to me, I'm gonna call it Manitou.
Manitou.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this
These
darkness
stairs
go
are
away.
ginormous.
I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine.
Gorgeous. Yeah, there's a bench here to sit on and just enjoy it. All right, so that root beer tinted color comes from the tannin from decaying roots and leaves. So that's that color that we've noticed all day in the river and the waterfalls.
I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves.
Hi, so we did a little bit of hiking today. It's a little warm to be hiking, don't you think?
Not really.
No,
It's not too bad.
feels like it once you're
I'm
done.
just too old.
Maybe that's it. We're
Out
just
of
old.
shape.
Out of
Gotta get back
shape.
in shape.
We really do. So,
This is supposed to be my day off.
oh yeah, this is his day off. This is his Saturday.
No, it's been fun. It's a nice park.
It really is. The wind has been really helpful.
Yeah, with the breeze blowing makes it feel way better. So
Yeah.
it's not too bad. I don't know. They're saying storms are going to be in this afternoon, but
Yeah.
right now there's very little clouds.
Right. They
It's
said the
not-
heat's going to cause it, though. That's what I
yeah,
kind of heard the
'cause
guy
we're
saying
supposed-
today.
We're supposed to go up in the mid 80s today.
Yeah. What?
I know. It's
I
like
know.
hot for here.
Right? How often does it get that hot?
And there goes the wind.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's a nice park. The only complaint I'd have is Wisconsin needs to do a better job at maintaining their parks.
Yeah. Mowing the grass and things like that.
There's some places the grass looks like it hadn't been mowed in weeks.
Right. It's
So,
pretty thick.
Yeah. And then
To like to enjoy the picnic areas or anything, it's just too hard.
Yeah, and I've seen, like railings that are about to fall, and
Yeah.
pieces of fences that are broken. So yeah, they definitely need to do some upkeep of their parks.
Right.
But other than that, it's a really nice park.
Yeah. So you got to see the tallest waterfall in Wisconsin.
Yeah, Lake Manitou
Oh, Manitou Falls.
or Manitou Falls. Why did I say lake?
I don't
Because there was
know.
a lake there. Maybe that was it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
We went to the
Falls.
big and the little Manitou Falls.
Yeah.
Right.
And both of them were really nice.
Yes. So hope you enjoyed this. Now you go out and find your adventure.
Oh, I will